Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Organizer cart is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for decluttering and optimizing your living or working space, offering a mobile and accessible solution to store everything from kitchen essentials and bathroom supplies to craft materials and office necessities, ultimately transforming chaotic areas into models of efficiency and order with its convenient design and ample storage capacity. Number 5. SPACEKEEPER 3-tier Slim Rolling Storage Cart. Introducing our slim rolling storage cart, designed to fit perfectly in narrow spaces. With 3 removable shelves, you can customize its capacity to suit your needs, making it ideal for any room in your home. Glide this cart smoothly on its 360 degrees rotating casters, perfect for hardwood and tile floors. 2 wheels include brakes for added stability, ensuring it stays securely in place when you need it to. Crafted from waterproof and warp-resistant plastic, this cart is built to last, even in damp environments. Its hollow design allows for easy water drainage and quick cleaning with just a damp cloth. This compact organizer is perfect for small spaces like dorms or tight corners. Use the side hooks for towels and accessories, while the high-walled baskets keep your essentials neatly stored. Setting up this cart is a breeze. No tools are required, simply snap the components together following the easy visual guide. You'll have it assembled and ready to use in just minutes. What we like. This cart is perfect for those tight spaces. If you're looking to organize a narrow gap in your bathroom or laundry room, its slim profile is a game changer. The removable shelves offer flexibility, and the lockable wheels ensure it stays put when you need it to. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well made. It holds a lot of items and the wheels roll smoothly. I love the design of this cart. It's sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my small kitchen. The shelves are adjustable, which is a great feature. This cart has been a lifesaver for organizing my craft supplies. It's easy to assemble and move around, and it keeps everything tidy and accessible. Number 4. SPACELEAD Slim 3-tier Rolling Storage Cart. This slim cart is designed for ultimate flexibility. With 360-degree rotating wheels, you can effortlessly move it anywhere you need extra storage. It's perfect for offices, bathrooms, kitchens, or any narrow space. Maximize your storage with its multiple tiers. You can easily organize your items, keeping them accessible at a glance. Plus, utilize the included side hoops for even more external storage options. This isn't just a cart, it's a versatile organizer. Adjust it to 2 or 3 tiers by removing the casters. Use it as a bathroom dresser or a kitchen spice rack to keep your space tidy. The bottom features a mesh hollow design. This prevents stagnant water, ensuring your stored items stay dry and clean. Crafted from high-quality plastic, this cart offers stable and durable performance. Installation is a breeze, requiring no additional tools for a quick setup. What we like. Need a versatile organizer that can move with you? This cart's 360 degrees wheels make it easy to reposition. Its mesh design keeps things dry, and you can adjust the tiers to fit your needs. If you like to rearrange your storage solutions often, this is a great choice. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. I love the multiple tiers, it really helps keep my craft supplies organized. Number 3. SPACELEAD Slim Storage Cart 4-tier. Tired of wasted space? This organizer is designed to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage with its intelligent tiered design. It adapts to various item sizes, making the most of every inch. Need flexibility? This unit easily converts from a mobile cart with smooth rolling casters to a stable, fixed shelving unit. Use it as a rolling pantry or a stationary organizer, adapting to your specific needs. Keep everything in its place. With adjustable dividers and scientifically designed tier heights, it ensures that everything from large bottles to small jars fits perfectly. Side hooks are also included for hanging essentials. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving, yet built to hold up to 30 pounds per shelf. The unique mesh bottom prevents water buildup, keeping your items dry. Solve storage problems throughout your home. It's perfect for the bathroom, kitchen, laundry room, small spaces, and even RVs. Organize toiletries, spices, cleaning supplies, and more with ease. What we like. For maximum vertical storage in slim spaces, this 4-tier option excels. Its intelligent height design accommodates various item sizes, and you can even convert it from a mobile cart to a fixed shelf. If you have a lot of different sized items to store in a narrow gap, this is ideal. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. It was easy to assemble and the wheels roll smoothly. I love that it has multiple shelves and compartments for organization. Number 2. SPACELEAD 3-tier rolling cart. Tired of clutter and tight spaces? This smart organizer is designed with intelligent height differences to fit perfectly into narrow gaps, maximizing your vertical storage. Need flexibility? Easily switch between a mobile station with smooth rolling casters and a stable, fixed shelving unit. It adapts to your needs, whether in the kitchen or bathroom. Keep everything in its place with adjustable dividers and thoughtfully designed tier heights. It ensures even tall bottles and small jars fit perfectly, eliminating wasted space. Set it up in minutes with no tools required. It's lightweight for easy moving but built to last, with a unique mesh bottom to prevent moisture and rust. From the bathroom to the kitchen, laundry room to small apartments, this versatile cart brings order to any area. It's the perfect solution for all your storage needs. What we like. This organizer is designed for those who need to maximize every inch of space. Its slim profile fits into tight spots, and the included hanging baskets add extra storage. If you're looking for a mobile or stationary solution that offers both shelf and hanging storage, consider this one. What people say. The cart is very sturdy and well-made, with a durable metal frame and thick plastic shelves. It was easy to assemble, taking only about 15 minutes with no tools required. The wheels roll smoothly on both carpet and hardwood floors, making it easy to move around. Number 1. Yaheetech 12-drawer rolling storage cart. Introducing the Yaheetech 12-drawer rolling storage cart. It's designed to help you sort all your craft, art, and office supplies with ease. Setup is simple, and it's ready to go in no time. This cart is incredibly versatile, fitting perfectly in your office, living room, bathroom, dressing room, or studio. Its sleek design and multiple color options complement any decor. With 8 small drawers and 4 large drawers, it offers excellent storage capacity. This smart solution makes full use of vertical space, ideal for smaller areas. Need storage on the move? The removable drawers can be used independently as simple storage boxes. Keep your items tidy and accessible wherever you go. Crafted from durable, lightweight, and rust-resistant materials, this cart is built for longevity. It's safe for you and designed to withstand daily use. Thanks to its smooth 360-degree casters, 2 of which are lockable, you can move it anywhere effortlessly. The convenient handles allow for easy pushing, even when fully loaded. What we like. If you have a lot of small items that need individual organization, this cart is for you. With 12 drawers of varying sizes, it's perfect for craft supplies, office essentials, or toiletries. The removable drawers also double as standalone storage boxes, offering ultimate flexibility. What people say. It is very sturdy and holds a lot of items. The wheels roll smoothly, making it easy to move around. The shelves are deep enough to hold large bottles and containers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.